You and I both know that quiet control is going to win the day. But of course, sometimes it's not easy to be quiet. But I'm going to offer you 3 hacks to help you to be quiet. And I'm going to explain to you some of the benefits of zipping it, keeping it quiet, and maintaining control over the noisemakers. Let's face it, it's better to be thought a fool than to open your mouth and remove all shadow of a doubt. And it's also true that we have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a very good reason. So let's see how we can get some better outcomes by keeping our own counsel and maintaining a code of silence, which is going to allow us to become more consistent, more trustable, and more productive in our outcomes. I'm going to offer you 3 hacks to try and promote the power of the quiet warrior, and I hope they can be useful to you. But there's only one way to find out, isn't there? And that is to try them out yourself. So let's go for the hacks, shall we? Hack number 1. Take a deep breath and delay your responses. Instead of just jumping in or feeling the need to fill every pregnant space or silence with your own voice, take a breath. Delay your response. Pause deliberately. This gives the impression and the actuality that you are thinking about your responses. It means that you speak less, but as a result of speaking less, you're going to gather more information. You're going to gather more data, and you're going to gather more emotional information. By pausing more and speaking less and deliberately taking your time to respond, you're going to be able to read the room a lot better. And dare I add, you're going to be quite infuriating to people who want to make more noise than signal. So hack number 1, take a deep breath, delay your responses. Hack number 2 for the quiet achiever is pick and maintain a standard for yourself. A standard could be peace and quiet. Your standard could be to control your own boundaries. Your standard could be to maintain a level of high expectation about every situation. Whatever that standard may be, you pick it for yourself. As with values, we all have our favourites. People are going to trust you better, and they're going to think about you in more favourable terms if you can pick a standard for yourself, and then you can maintain that standard daily. Take that standard and impose it on all of your interactions. Try not to lapse, and if you do lapse, pick yourself up again and get that standard back where it belongs. You will find that people will come to you of their own volition. Instead of you having to chase others, they will start to gravitate towards you. Think of personality as being like a magnet. Magnets have north and south poles on them. Sometimes, if you put the wrong pole into place, you become actively repulsive. You repel. But if you have standards, and you hold your own counsel, and you maintain the quiet win, you are going to become attractive. So hack number 3 for quiet and consistent success and productivity is: do not rely on the approval of others. You will betray a reliance on approval from others by trying to fill every gap with noise. You will seek the approval of others, and it will become apparent in your demeanour and the things you say and the way that you act. Instead of seeking the approval of others, take the quiet road. Maintain your own frame. Hold tight onto your own values, and don't try to fill every gap with some kind of noise. Don't reward bad behaviour. Other people who are approval based are going to do things which are going to compromise your values. Don't buy into them. The energy that you save is going to compound over time, and over time the energy you save is going to result in better, more consistent outputs. And so, I come to the end of today's offering to you. Today's offering has been about reducing the noise in your life and increasing the signal. Think about the frequency of noise to signal that you are emitting. Find your signal, lock into that frequency, maintain it daily, and by so doing you will become a quiet succeeder, and you will allow those who wish to make noise over signal dash themselves against your rocks. Once again, thank you for taking your time to come this far, and my final thought is, of course, whatever it is you dare to do or dream, begin it now.